How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a gorgeous 64 Chevelle Malibu SS done in a gorgeous Garnet Red Metallic. Super nice car. Had a restoration, frame off done a few years back. A lot of nice upgrades on the car. See all the grill, the bumpers all been re-chromed. Car's real straight, nice down the sides. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. Got a set of rockets on it. All the tires are new. The rear bumper looks real good on it. It's all been re-chromed, all the trim. The deck lid trim is the original. Got a little bit of age to it, but still looks real good. It's a little chilly out. It's only about 30 degrees right now. But we happen to have some sun, so I figured we'd get the video done. I really like it's a chrome rocket wheel, 15-inch, looks real good on the car. It's got a 383 with aluminum heads. It's got sniper fuel injection, power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. Got a lot of power. Car goes down the road great. Fuel injection makes it nice. Interior's all real nice in the car. Got the factory tach and gauge package dash. You can see the controller there on the dash for the fuel injection. The headliner's real nice and tight. Got your factory bucket seats and center console. Jams look good. Inside the trunk's been all, custom upholstered. You got the paperwork on the fuel injection system and wiring and everything. It's just a cool car. It's got a retrofit AM/FM stereo in it, and pair of gauges there under the dash. All your AC vents. They've put up updated seat belts in the front. Again, it's a 383 fuel injected 700R. Fires right off. Got a nice sounding camshaft, got a little thumpy thump to it. Duals all the way out the back. Zippy motor in it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day. folks.